If your WordPress storage is full of file attachments, or you're just tired of the endless cycle of having to download and re-upload files to your favorite cloud storage solution, then sit tight because we're here to help. I'm Daisy with WPForms, and today I'm excited to announce our brand new Google Drive add-on. The Google Drive add-on allows you to connect your forms to your Google Drive account and automatically send user-uploaded files to a folder in Google Drive each time a user fills out and submits a form on your site. Once connected, you can simply go into the settings page of the form builder to access the Google Drive tab and set up your connection. You can choose to automatically create a new folder named after the form, or have the files be sent to an existing folder in Drive. By default, all files uploaded through your Forms File Upload field will be sent to Google Drive, but if you have multiple file upload fields, you can use the available drop-down to select a specific one to include in the connection. Once the form is submitted, you can view the submissions in the Entries page and find a link that will take you directly to the file's location in Google Drive, or you can simply log into your account to find the newly uploaded files. With just a few clicks, you can easily send your user-submitted files to your favorite cloud storage solution, thus saving you some very valuable server space without all of the hassle or without the hefty price tag. I'm Daisy with WPForms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.